Welcome to JSS Matriculation School Talavadi social class. Today I go to explain geography lesson number 2, weather and climate. Continue part. In the past class I explained weather, climate and temperature. So today the continue factors affecting the distribution of temperature. Latitude, altitude, nature of land, ocean currents, prevailing winds, slope, shelter and distance from the sea, natural vegetation and soils are the major factors which affects the distribution of the temperature. This is the distribution temperature. Now measuring temperature. How we have to measure? The temperature of a unit volume of air at a given time is measured in cells like Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Meteorologists measure the temperature by the thermometer, Stephen screen and minimum and maximum thermometer. What are the picture I want to give in the right side? That is the thermometer. The energy received by the earth through insolation is lost by outgoing radiation. Atmosphere is mainly heated by outgoing radiation from 2 to 4 pm. So the maximum temperature is recorded between 2 and 4 pm regularly, and minimum temperature is recorded around 4 am before sun rises. The next is mean temperature. The average of maximum and minimum temperature within 24 hours is called mean temperature. Its mean 87 degree Fahrenheit plus 733 degree Fahrenheit divided by 2 is equal to 80 degree Fahrenheit. The next is diurnal range of temperature is the difference between the maximum and minimum temperature of a day. Annual range of temperature is the difference between the highest and lowest mean monthly temperature of a year. The distribution of temperature is shown by the means of isotherms. We are called that. So these isotherms are imaginary lines which connect the same temperature of different places. Now we are going to learn about heat zones of the earth. The fact that the earth is spherical in shape result in different parts of the earth getting heated differently. Based on the heat received from the sun, earth is divided into 3 heat zones. They are, what are the 3 now? Already I have to given the picture in the right side. That's one is frigid zone, next one is temperate zone and next is torrid zone. So in the south and north hemisphere we divided look like this 3 heat zones. The first one we are going to learn about torrid zone. What are the yellowish in the picture parts of the right side? We are going to learn that. It is a region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This region receives the direct rays of the sun and gets the maximum heat of the sun. This zone known as the torrid or the tropical zone. We see our South India will be received in the right side map I have shown now is hottest places in the world. The next one is temperate zone. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. This zone gets the slanting rays of the sun and the angle of the sun rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. This is zone experience moderate temperature. It means not in the cold and not in the heat. This is like temperate. So we are called that as temperate zones. The third one is frigid zone. The frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. This region also known as polar regions. Since it receives the extremely low temperature throughout the year, these regions are covered with snow. So the South Pole and North Pole direction we call them. Highest temperature ever recorded. The highest temperature ever recorded on the earth is 56.7 degrees Celsius. It means 134 degree Fahrenheit. It was recorded on the 10th July 1913 at Greenland Run of Death Valley, California in USA. Lowest temperature ever recorded on the earth is 89.2 degrees Celsius. It means minus 128.6 Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, 184 Kelvin will be there now. It was recorded on 21st July 1983 at Soviet Vostok station in Antarctica. Next, we are going to learn about rainfall. Rain is a liquid water in the form of droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor and then become heavy enough to fall under gravity. Rain is a major component of the water cycle and is responsible for dispersing most of the fresh water on the earth. It is the source of water for all purposes. There is a close relation between the temperature and rainfall distribution. Generally, rainfall is high in the equatorial region and decrease gradually towards the pole. Rainfall is measured by raining gauge. We see in the picture will be there now. That's raining gauge.